Hello. So you are welcome to one more session, video session. So now I want to show how to construct a pentagon plane figure when its surface is perpendicular to both HP and VP. HP and VP. Okay. Now let us see the problem. So a pentagon of side 35 mm is perpendicular to both HP and VP such that its edge is perpendicular to HP. Draw its projections. So this is the problem. So now the given plane figure is a pentagon of the sides 35 mm and the surface condition is here perpendicular to both HP and VP, and another condition is the side perpendicular to HP. The resting side is perpendicular to HP and which is 30 mm from the profile plane. 30 mm from the profile plane. Any distance you can take. Here I have taken 30 mm from the profile plane. Okay, now let us start the problem. So here it is a simple condition, that is the surface is perpendicular to both HP and VP. Already you know, when the surface is perpendicular to HP parallel to VP, true shape is obtained in front view. When the surface is parallel to HP perpendicular to VP, the true shape is obtained in top view. But now in this condition, the surface is perpendicular to both HP and VP. That means the surface is parallel to profile plane. When the surface is parallel to profile plane, the true shape is obtained in the side view. In the side view. That means first to start the drawing with the side view. So for that, first let us draw the x-axis, xy axis and x dash y dash. Okay. Now let me draw xy axis, that is horizontal xy. So now thin horizontal axis xy, that is x and y. Similarly x dash y dash, x dash y dash, because the true shape you are obtaining in side view, therefore draw the x axis, xy axis and x dash and y dash, x dash and y dash. Now the intersection point is O, already you know it. So now you have to construct the pentagon, but here the distance from the profile plane is given as 30 mm, 30 mm. So from x dash y dash, take a distance of 30 mm and draw a line, draw a perpendicular, thin perpendicular line, that means thin reference line, so that it is perpendicular to HP. So here it is perpendicular to HP, so that it is perpendicular to HP. Now using template you have to construct the pentagon. The easy method for constructing pentagon for practice purposes, that is using template. So now already you know how to use the template. Now in vertical position you have to construct a pentagon. Now count the distances: 10 mm, 15 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm, 35 mm. So match the 35 mm line, 35 mm line with this perpendicular line, and on the same line mark the dots, Now join all these points or dots in order. So now this is first side, and again second side, third side, fourth side, again last side. Okay, so like this first construct the pentagon. Now notations. So now I am giving like this A dash dash because it is inside U. C B dash dash, C dash dash, D dash dash and E dash dash. Now you have drawn the true shape, that is true shape obtaining inside U because the condition is this surface is perpendicular to both the planes. Now through the intersection of xy and x dash y dash, that is O, draw 45 degrees inclined line. Already you know how to draw the side view. Similarly, to draw the views from the side view, you have to draw the 45 degrees line taking O as reference line and 45 degrees, then joining. Now draw the vertical projections from these points up to the inclined line, up to this inclined line, very thin lines, very thin line, like this, very thin lines, right. So now again from the intersection of these projectors on the 45 degrees line, horizontal projector, then similarly horizontal projector, horizontal projector. Now similarly from the side view also horizontal projector to obtain the front view. For obtaining front view, horizontal projector, then horizontal projectors, all thin projectors, very thin projectors. You can use 2H pencil for this. Now at convenient distance, draw one vertical projector, vertical thin projector, right. Now make the portion of this projector between these projectors, at topmost and bottommost projector thick, and similarly at the bottom, that is in the top view, that is in the HP also make thick line. Now you are getting side view, top view and front view. Now to mark the notations in front view looking from the front. So here which is visible? C is visible, D is visible, E is visible, A is not visible, B is not visible. Okay. Similarly for marking the notations in top view looking from the top, which is visible? B is visible, C is visible, D is visible, E is not visible bracket, okay, and A is not visible bracket. That's all. So now it completes the construction. So pentagonal lamina, the condition is the surface perpendicular to both HP and VP, surface perpendicular to both HP and VP, okay, and the resting side is perpendicular to HP. It may be given parallel to HP, then the figure will be like this. If it is inclined to HP, in inclination you have to construct the figure. Now here I have shown the example of pentagon. They may ask square, they may ask rectangle, they may ask circle, they may ask pentagon or hexagon. Any figure can be done, but first see the condition. When the surface is perpendicular to both HP and VP, the true shape you are obtaining in side view. First start the drawing with the side view. While starting the true shape in the side view, see the second condition, whether the resting side is perpendicular or a parallel or inclined, then construct it. Then 45 degrees line, projections downwards. You are obtaining front view and top view from the side view, so projections downwards, so projections in opposite direction, then again projections in, that is backward direction, you can say, right. Like this you have to construct it. So now let me extend this x dash y dash line, and here I will write x dash y dash. So that finishes the construction of a pentagon when the surface is perpendicular to both HP and VP. Thank you.